Now here, make sure you go over your job. Make sure you go over your job, your work. Check that all the cooling fans, the wiring, make sure that they're connected down there. It's got two connections on this one there and one just below it there for the two different fans. So go over the whole job, make sure your wiring is connected, hoses are tight, everything, levels. So I'll run it for about 2 minutes now, just to see if it's okay. Everything seems to be okay. Gotta make sure I tighten that one a bit more, I'd say. So with this one here, the coolant has gone down a little bit because air is come out. I'm gonna run it a bit longer, and I'm gonna keep topping it up with water. Run it for a bit, stop it, top it up with water, run it again a few times until there's no more air coming out of this system. It may look messy and wasteful, but it has to be done. There's no other way. Otherwise, if you don't do this properly and there's too much air trapped in the system, you have overheating problems. Some cars it's worse than others. I'm finding that this one is not too bad, this Toyota Supra Mark III. It's not too bad. The 7M GTE engine. It always bleeds easy. Maybe I'm just lucky. Okay, so let's feel. Give it another start. Just got an immobilizer. Give it a start. Nicely. Yeah, it's got a big exhaust. Just put that on a few days ago, or yeah, maybe a week ago actually now. HKS silent high power exhaust. Sounds nice. Check on that temperature. Oh, there we go. Now we've got bubbles. That's good. Look at those bubbles. I plan to bleed mine twice, maybe even 3 times. So I'll bleed it today, get it good enough. I'm not going to take it for a long drive or anything. And then I'll bleed it again tomorrow when everything's settled down and cooled down. After a good, drive. Raise the temperature. Yeah, I'll do it about 3 times just to make sure, because because my vehicle's got an overheating problem anyway. It had. So I'm hoping that this radiator fixes it. I've just taken out this old one here. Look at that. Terrible. It's been there for a long time. Look at the back there. Look at that. Ooh, it's gone through, man. I hope it fixes it. Look at that. It's terrible. Ooh, avoiding. Alright, now is a good time to switch it off. There we go. So let it settle down. And we'll top it up some more. Now the thermostat is open. It needs to cool down a little bit. And then fill it up all the way to the top again. Seal it. The radiator cap here. Inspect your radiator cap as well. Make sure you have a good look at this. It's got a spring there underneath it. Okay, let me just check something here for the spring there. You got the seal and the second seal there. So you got the first seal and the second seal, and in between that you got a spring. And watch what happens when I press on it. How can I do this? So here we go. Can you see that? It's quite flexible and springy. If it doesn't do that, you got a problem. If it feels grindy when you press it, then it's probably too rusty and needs replacing. Check the radiator cap seals for deterioration. If they're nice and floppy like this, nice and smooth, and no cracks in them, not too much debris stuck in between, then you've done half the check on the radiator cap. You're not gonna leak. By doing the test like that, the bounce test or whatever you call it, the compression tests on it, basically tells you that this under pressure, this valve cap, it's gonna release pressure, it's gonna ventilate nicely. Warming up now, so I'm just adding water slowly. There was actually a lot of air in that. Now it's all settled down. It's starting to take water. I'm running out. Go and get some more. That's it. Right now it's full. I'm gonna lock it off. Soon after this I'll just lock it off. Just watching for any extra, any more air bubbles before I lock it. And I'll take it for a test drive, and I think that will be enough for today. As I said, do this 2 to 3 times until it's completely settled down. So after driving it, let it warm up nicely when you drive it. Then tomorrow or later in the evening, come back and when it's cooled down again, completely cool, come and check the level, just top it up with the engine off.